All right, we're starting off with 8 ounces of Cool Whip in our mixing bowl. The next thing we're gonna add is 1 package of our French vanilla cake mix. Now you can use whatever cake mix you like. I just think that this one complements the other flavors we're gonna be using. The last thing we're gonna add to our mixture is 1 egg, and we're gonna crack that right into our bowl. And once we have those 3 ingredients into our bowl, it is time to give this a good mix. This is such a fun and easy little spring dessert that you can make with your kids. It's delicious and it only takes these 3 ingredients to start, but you can go anywhere with this. You could do a lemon cake mix, you could do a strawberry cake mix, but I think that the French vanilla is gonna be beautiful. All right, and once our mixture looks like a thick batter, we're gonna go ahead and bring in our sheet pan lined with parchment paper because we are making cookies. So we have our cookie scoop and we are gonna scoop our cookie batter right onto our parchment paper. So easy, so delicious. I think I'm gonna put about 6 cookies on this sheet pan, but this will make about a dozen cookies. It's so good. I cannot wait for you guys to see how they come out. So let's get our scoops on here. All right, now these are gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. All right, our cookies have completely cooled. They look absolutely delicious. Let's just check out the bottom of it real quick. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now we need to just give these a little upgrade. So I have some cream cheese frosting. You can use whatever frosting flavor you like. You can even make homemade frosting. And we're gonna add a scoop of our cream cheese frosting right on top of each of our cookies. Now remember, this recipe makes 12 cookies, but I'm just showing you guys the 6 to make this super quick and easy. All right, one last scoop on this one. And I love this recipe because you get nice flat cookies, which is perfect for what we're gonna do. And we're just going to spread our frosting from edge to edge on our delicious vanilla cookies. Yum, super quick. All right, now the finishing touch is some fresh fruit. These are gonna be little like dessert fruit pizzas. How darling is that? Obviously you can do whatever fruit you like. I love kiwi because it's such a bright, vibrant color and it's so tasty. It goes great with that cream cheese flavor. I have some mandarin oranges and I'm just putting a little mandarin orange on there. I use the canned one, but you can use fresh. These are completely customizable. And like I said, kids will have so much fun making their own little personal dessert pizza. Now I have some raspberries. Let's get those on there. Super quick and easy. You can add as much or as little fruit on here. You can do only 2 fruits, or you could do the entire produce section. I'm finishing these off with some blueberries, my favorite, and I'm gonna add a couple of these just to really fill in those spots. How adorable. I might even add a little bit more of the other ones, but for now, let's get these blueberries on here. All right, it is finally time to give these a try. Oh my, I cannot wait to give it a bite. Let's see, where do I wanna start? I'll start with the blueberry. Wow. That is delicious. You have to try these like right now.